تحدث الإنجليزية الدرس الثاني. العائلة. What's your first name? My first name is Muhammad. What's your surname? My surname is Palestini. What are your parents' names? My father is Ali and my mom is Fatima. Do you have any uncles or aunts? Yes, I have many uncles and aunts. Who's in your family photo? That's my mom and dad. Who's that man in the picture? That's my uncle. Do you have a large family? No, I have a small family. How many people are in your family? There are 5 of us. My parents, my brother, my sister, and me. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have 1 sister. Is that your uncle? Yes, and he's a funny guy. What does your father do? My father is a teacher. What does your mother do? She's a doctor. Does your sister work? Yes, she's a nurse. Does your father have a car? Yes, he has a small car. How old is your grandmother? She is 70 years old. Do you live with your parents? No, I live with my uncle. How many children do you have? I have 2 children. Do you have any cousins? Yes, I have a lot of cousins. What's your brother's name? My brother's name is Ali. How many grandchildren do you have? I have 12 grandchildren. Do you see your grandparents often? Yes, every weekend. Do you have any sisters? Yes, I have 1 sister. Who is the oldest in your family? My father is the oldest. Do you live in a house or in a flat? I live in a flat. Do you have your own room? Yes, I do. Do you have a garden or a balcony? We only have a balcony. Where do your grandparents live? They live in the countryside. Does your grandmother live with you? Yes, she does. How old is your nephew? He is 4 years old. Is that your cousin? Yes, that's my cousin Hala. Who cooks dinner in your home? My mother usually cooks, but sometimes I help. How many aunts do you have? I have 2 aunts on my mother's side and 1 on my father's side. What does your son like to play? He loves playing football. Does your granddaughter go to school? Yes, she's in primary school. Who's your favorite family member? I love all my family, but I'm closest to my brother. Who in your family travels the most? My aunt. She loves exploring new places.